And I'm going to walk you through spinning up a Kubernetes cluster from scratch using Magnum. You'll see how simple the process is and how Kubernetes is spun up with Cluster API and how it handles everything behind the scenes. So right now, that's the OpenStack dashboard, which Atmosphere ships. And then let's just go and create a cluster. Before we go into this, to create clusters, we have templates, and those templates define some basic features, basically labels for the cluster. For these demo in specific, we are using those two versions of Kubernetes and the fixed subnet for the internal components of the Kubernetes cluster. So we just come here and create a cluster. Let's just create a single cluster for now. And I would just want the latest. So we put the number of control plane nodes and the number of the workers. Since it's just a simple cluster with one control plane and one worker, I don't want to enable the autoscale. And then from here, we just select to access from floating MPU, which means it's a public access to the cluster. So we hit create, and okay, let's see under the hoods what happens. And we can see through CLI that we have the cluster currently in creating progress, and then we can go inside the namespaces that manages the Magnum cluster API resources and see how it behaves on the cluster creation.
Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and follow along